Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to make some carrots and some green beans today. We've got some garlic, tomatoes, a few other little bits and pieces. Delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Way. So we've roughly got 2 cups of each there, carrots and green beans, cut roughly the same length. What we're going to do is I'm going to fry them off separately. So let's get over to the cooker. I'm using olive oil here and the heat's on. We're going to start off with our green beans. Now, you can see how much oil I've got there. Now you can shallow fry them in less oil if you want, or you could deep fry them, do much more. But yeah, there's maybe, I don't know, is that half a centimetre, quarter of a centimetre? Something like that. Anyway, medium heat, we're gonna throw these around in this oil for about 4 minutes. Okay, marvellous. So we're gonna take these out, and then what we're gonna do is set them aside and go in with the carrots. And we're going to do the same again. So on the left you can see our carrots and our beans. Next to that is a cup of tomatoes and a cup of onions. I've got a tablespoon of garlic and about a teaspoon or just over of salt, pepper and dried oregano. We're going to go back to the cooker. So I've now reduced that oil down by quite a lot. I mean, that's the balance of it. I'll be using that for something else. Above medium heat, just put that on. We're going to go with the cup of onion and the tablespoon of chopped garlic. About 3 minutes, stirring fairly often. Fantastic. We're now going to add that cup of fresh tomatoes. We're going to add the salt, pepper and the dried oregano. Thyme's quite nice in this as well if you want to maybe switch it up a little bit. And we're going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes now. We want those tomatoes to cook down a little bit. Again, stir often. So you can see that my tomatoes have been breaking down really nicely. Really happy with them there. A little bit of moisture has come from them. Simply, we're going to add in our carrots and our green beans. We're going to go to below medium now. And we're just going to go for 2 or 3 more minutes, stirring in. Beautiful little side dish. So there we go. Like I say, use that as a side dish, like a side vegetable if you want. Get some pasta on the go with that. It's delicious. Up to you, or eat it just like that. That's probably what I'm going to do actually. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.